Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can create an account on Instagram, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create an Instagram account, first, I want you to download the Instagram app. You can find the app either on your App Store or Play Store, so just download it there. And once you already have your Instagram app, you can now open it. And after opening the app, it will direct you to the sign-in page, which is where you can log into your account. But since we don't have an account yet, we should tap the Create New Account button to create one. And after that, you will now start on setting up your Instagram account. So right here, you just need to enter your phone number to sign up your Instagram account, but if you don't want to use your phone number, you can just use your email instead. In my case, I will use my email to create my account. After that, you can now enter your email address, and make sure that the email address you will enter is an email you can open because Instagram will send a verification code to your email later in order to verify your account. Once you're done entering your email address, you can now tap Next to continue. And here's the verification that I told you earlier guys, so to get the code, just go to your email. And once you're on your email, you will now be able to see the message from Instagram, so just open it to see the code. And after that, you will now be able to see the code, so you can now go back to your Instagram to enter it. And then you can now enter your Instagram account password. And right here, you can select if you want to save your login info. Saving your login info means that if you try to log in your account again, you won't need to enter your email and password anymore. You can instantly open it just by tapping your profile. In my case, I will choose to save my login info. And then you can now enter your birth date right here. And after entering your birthday, you can now set your Instagram name right here. And after that, you can now enter the username that you want. Though I recommend you to settle with the username that Instagram gave to you first, because you might encounter this problem where you can't continue because this keeps appearing when you try to set your own username. Don't worry guys, you can always change your username later once you already have your account, so just settle with this for now in order to continue. And after that, you can now add your Instagram profile picture if you want, but you can choose the skip option if you don't want to. In my case, I will add a profile picture. And then you can now select the profile picture that you want. And after adding your profile picture, you can now tap Done to completely create your account. And after that, it's done. You will now have your Instagram account. And to change your Instagram username, just tap the Edit Profile option. And after that, you will now be able to see your username right here, so you can now change it depending on what you want. And once you're done changing your username, just tap the check button to completely save your changes. And after that, your Instagram username will now be changed. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now completely created and set up your Instagram account, so you can now enjoy the platform. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.